Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to change your profile picture on Facebook on your Android phone. Step 1. Open the Facebook app to get started. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap the icon that looks like a person next. Tap the icon that looks like a person in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Facebook profile. Step 3. Tap your current profile picture. Once you're on your profile, tap on your current profile picture. This will bring up the profile picture options. Step 4. Choose Select Profile Picture. From the Profile Picture options, select Profile Picture to access your phone's photo gallery. Step 5. Navigate to and select the new photo you wish to use for your profile. Navigate to and select the new photo you wish to use for your profile. You can choose from photos you've already taken or take a new photo using your phone's camera. Once you've selected your new photo, you can adjust the cropping and positioning as needed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Facebook on your Android phone. Your new profile picture will now be displayed on your Facebook profile. Make sure to choose a profile picture that accurately represents you or your brand. You want to make a good first impression on potential friends, followers, or customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on your favorite apps and services. Thanks for watching!